Assembly video for our MedHub height adjustable laptop chart. Install the casters. Attach the casters to the base and tighten them until they're secure using the provided wrench. Attach the desktop. Place the desktop upside down on a soft or smooth surface. Place the column on the desktop and align the holes. Then secure the column to the desktop using the provided screws through the 4 holes in the column bracket. Secure the height adjustment lever using the bolts through the 2 holes in the lever bracket. Attach the base. Place the base over the end of the column, then secure it in place using the provided bolts. Place the cover plate into the matching slot on the top of the desktop. Raise the desktop. Squeeze the height adjustment handle and raise the desk to its highest position. If the tension of the lift cable needs to be adjusted, rotate the silver knob behind the handle to either loosen or tighten the tension until the handle operates properly. Insert the rectangular washers into each side of the column, then allow them to slide to the bottom of the channel into the base. Secure the washers in place using the provided bolts. Attach the storage accessories. Partially loosen the bolts on the storage basket so that the brackets fit into the channel on the front of the column. Slide the storage basket most of the way down, then tighten the bolts to secure it at the desired height. Repeat this for the accessory hook and the accessory holder, securing them at the desired height. Attach the cable bracket. Install the cable management bracket to the underside of the desktop using the provided screws, then install the accessory hanger to the underside of the desktop. Install the laptop security bar. To secure a laptop to the cart, slide the laptop holder over the laptop screen until it rests at the base of the screen, then secure the laptop holder to the back of the cart.